Hello, all my reviewers. It's Crystal Triggs again, Mary Kay Consultant, doing a TimeWise review. It is still the 17th of June, but I am getting ready to wash my face. So I'm going into my restroom right now, getting ready to grab the TimeWise Repair Foaming Cleanser. I will now pause it as I begin to wash my face. Okay, here we go. In front of the sink, I am turning on the water. Water's running. We always wash upward and outward. Any product that we use, because we don't want gravity to have its toll on our faces. So we're going upward and outward. Upward and outward. Still day one. TimeWise Repair. Discover what you love. See you later. Bye.